Alright, for all those tuning in, thank you guys for watching right now. This is episode 1 of Ark Survival Evolved. Your host, Bt09 now. Alright, for all those tuning in, thank you guys for watching right now. This is episode 1 of Ark Survival Evolved. Alright, you guys. For episode 1, I would have liked to have done, I don't know, starting from the bottom. Even though I'm still at the bottom. But I'm level 10 right now. Been playing for a couple of days. Ark has been out on Xbox 360 since December 16th. Now I've been able to play for the past couple of days since I'm done with school. I'm taking a week off. But yeah, this is my PvP server, so I have been murdered more times than I'd like to actually say. I've been robbed. But luckily my house is still standing, so all I gotta do is fix a couple foundations. Actually gotta make them wood anyway, so gotta do that, and then I gotta start all the way over again. Luckily I didn't have a bed, or else they would have taken that too. But hey, this game is fun and I'm glad to be playing it right now. I gotta make it, guys. I gotta make it before it, you know, might have some stuff I could use. A freaking Fiomia saddle. That is nothing I want, so well, while I'm over here I might as well chop down some trees, get some work done before I go back over. 6 wood from that gigantic tree. Another 6 wood. Okay, let's go down to one of these. Yet again, I'm hungry. I think this is a hardcore server, so I get extremely hungry extremely quickly. Alright, I should be able to make at least one foundation. Okay, I swear I bought the foundations too. What? Alright, so I'm still... Huh. Level 10. You know, I'll at least make one of those boxes so I can start to attempt to store things again. Alright, so the main focus of today will be building and getting back to where I was before the freaking fluffy unicorn guys murdered me. Only people on the server that have actually attacked people so far. Anyone else I meet, they're kind of cool. But these guys, let's say they live up there on that hill, kind of douche. Kind of douche. Ugh. It's locked. See, look at that simple house. Got another house over there. But this is my house. I got the beachfront property. That's probably why they're hating. Okay. I need meat! I need meat! The hitbox on these things is kind of screwy. Alright, I'm suffocating. Alright, so I think it's time to get to a spear. Look at this here. I like what they did there. I like it. On my PvE server, my house is right there. But on this PvP server, my house is right here. Look at this. You know how long that took to make? How long it took to make? They didn't go for the wood. They just... Sorry. On any other Xbox game, B is crouch. This is what they did. They took out these three. They brought their scorpion in, and then they murdered me horribly. They took my box. They left my fireplace. Yeah. But yeah. Kind of want my bed to go in that corner now. Alright, so I put the dew box right here. I think I did good without going into the orbital camera. Oh, my guy is hurting. He's hurting badly. Okay. Alright, so not much I can do without knowing the Ingram for the foundations. Spamming that Y button. Give me some berries. I need berries. Alright, I was about to pass out, you guys. You do not want to pass out in the PvP server. It hasn't even been a full, like, 24 hours since the last time I was here playing a game. And I come back to being murdered. And, majority of my stuff, well, all my stuff gone. I had a bow and arrow. Do you know I'm a level 10? I can't even make that. But it's cool. Because I kind of grabbed that off somebody that was unconscious anyway. I guess that was karma. Even though these fluffy bunny guys have been messing with me for no reason. But I do notice the people with more people in their tribe do better. That is for certain. Hardcore servers. You know what? This isn't even a hardcore server. No, it's not. And I just get hungry. Alright guys, so I think something's a little wrong with the with food right now. I'm getting hungry a little too quickly. Alright, this Bronto's about to get murdered by me. That'd probably actually be extremely stupid. Alright, so I didn't go after the Bronto. That just would have been like too stupid. But surprisingly, that parasol ran into a tree, and I was able to take it out. So I gotta run back home. What was that? Like really right now there's no point in me even using the door. Alright, so hopefully I won't die before that gets done. Alright, so I'm halfway to a bed. Actually, let me make some boots. Alright, so I just need some fiber. Ooh wee, I was so close to death, it wasn't even funny. I'll save those two. Oh, they surprisingly didn't try and murder me today. They didn't know I was in there. Either or. Okay, my math was off. Oh yeah. Yeah, you need like 5 of those to get to 100% food. So I had to eat all of those. Look at this. That's freaking Fluffy Unicorn's spot. I thought they were cool when they started off, but apparently they're douche nozzles. I apologize, Dodo, of level 8. Where'd you go? Where'd he go? This was not just here. Today I shall be the Dodo hunter. Oh, it's 2 of them. Oh my gosh. Hitboxes are so messed up. Gotcha, little combi. I wish it didn't take like prime meat to tame one of these things. I swear these little bodies weren't here. Wow, somebody started off. It's pretty cool. Gotta make some food before I die again. Don't run from me! I apologize if you guys are getting some of that lag too. I'm streaming right now, so from the Xbox to the PC. That's what I mean. Dodo! Oh, snap a raptor. I want one. Oh, crap. These little assholes. Crap. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god!